what I'm currently seeing is there's a lot of bad actors in this space who are peddling these credits, just trying to, be credit mills. Hi there, my name is Catherine Tindall. I'm a CPA and one of the partners at Dominion Enterprise Services. We're a specialty tax and accounting CPA firm. Let's go into, my top 5 mistakes that I see business owners make. So the second most common mistake that I see people make with this program is working with an inexperienced provider or a scammer who's going to overclaim the credit. Now, we have a big problem in our industry right now where there's an enforcement gap between when claims get filed and when the IRS actually audits them. And so what I'm currently seeing is there's a lot of bad actors in this space who are peddling these credits, just trying to, be credit mills and basically get people into the program who aren't actually eligible for it and who don't have the experience to really do the work properly. So I'm already starting to deal with some resolution work related to these. And so the 2 pieces that I would advise you to watch out for with the, picking a provider, the first is you want to work with people who are licensed tax professionals. And so if the people that you're talking to aren't CPAs, aren't EAs, aren't tax attorneys. So I've seen some attorneys in this space who don't come from a tax background. So you want to make sure you're talking to somebody who's a tax attorney. If you aren't talking to those kinds of professionals, most likely you're dealing with an inexperienced provider or a marketing company who's just farming out the work to other CPAs and charging you a premium for it. So I would look and see, is the provider that I'm this person who's advertising to me, are they a CPA firm? Are they a licensed tax practice? Or are they just a marketing company? I'd also not be persuaded, if I were you, by like dazzling client testimonials or how much money they've claimed from the government, because we have an enforcement gap and the IRS is going to take years to come back to a lot of these claims. There are people, actors in this space who I've seen that have filed, hundreds of millions of dollars of credits where I'm already seeing problems with it. So you really want to look at the credentials of the person that you're working with. If you haven't explored this program, you can visit our website. There are a lot more resources that explain the program, explain other things you should watch out for. And we also have a guide version of this video, top 5 mistakes, with more details of, action items that I would advise business owners to watch out for, because it really is a golden opportunity. We've seen this be life-changing for businesses. And we've seen this be a program that's really pulled a lot of, businesses, especially in industries that were really affected by the pandemic. This can kind of be that silver bullet to help kind of get you right back on your feet.